it.
Yeah?
I did.
Good job.
Yet. Yeah, that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Your name?
Let me see. It's got lots of glare.
I did.
That's my name. Good job.
How? What is his name?
What is Lily's name? I think you just answered.
What is your name?
You mean how do I write it?
Yes. Oh, yeah. Let me try.
Good job.
What?
Hey.
What is to do name?
Well, there's Tia Jenna, or you can call her Jennifer. How about Tia Jenna? Why don't we put that in?
No, how about it? Fine.
You don't know? Do you know how to write it?
How?
Okay. T
T
I
I
A
A
Tia
T
and J E N N A F I R. Jennifer.
Oh.
Oh, are we just gonna do Tia Jenna?
Just, I don't, whatever he wants to do on that one. Do you want to put Tia Jennifer or Tia Jenna?
A part to do.
Okay.
What is a pop name?
Well, do you want his name or do you want to put Pop?
Pop. His name is Pop. Do like popcorn.
Just like popcorn. Exactly. Let's.
Popcorn. Popcorn. So
So that's how you spell pop.
pop.
P-O-P.
Popcorn.
Yeah, popcorn.
Popcorn.
Call him Poppycorn.
Popcorn. or Papa.
So write it in there.
Or Peanut Bear. Pop.
Here. Maybe this will help. Mine may not have been neat enough.
He's imitating our handwriting.
It's what I'm realizing.
What is a mama name?
I'm going to let your sister Lily write that out for you.
So, you want mama or mom?
Mama and mama say mommy.
You don't call her that.
How about call him mama?
Mama. I think she spells it. Because you say it, mama. I think she spells it.
What's that?
Well, I can't remember exactly how she does it.
Well, Mama and Poppy is M-A-M-A, but if she's doing Mom,
I think she spells it differently for him because he says it differently.
let's see.
I think that might be the way she does it. Okay.
Good job, buddy.
How?
Oh, right, you need this. I was like, let's get the Sharpie pen. Never mind.
So where's the do this all on my
I didn't say you had to do it all. I was just putting your name on it so that it marked it as yours. But you can put whatever you want on here.
what is a Fofi name?
Well, let your sister write it down for you.
Pretend to me.
Please.
Please.
After he's done with it, he'll give you. Okay.
Right here.
Yeah.
The PC go half tough down.
Yeah. Okay. You'll be fine.
Something right.
Mm-hmm. Very good. SOPH. Now the Y.
So, what is
N-
what is K name? That's my mom Paris.
Perez?
He said it's Mama's parents.
Parents.
Tegi and Teto.
Okay. Well, do me a favor real quick. Let's have your sister put the date in there somewhere.
What is the date?
17th.
17th, okay.
October 17th.
Do you want me to put it like on here?
Sure.
Okay.
Don't why not?
Okay, remember, you don't want it so small that it gets messed up. But that's okay.
So for now I have to for something.
Okay. Did you want to put your mama's parents' names?
Oh, sorry.
I'm going to let your sister spell them out for you.
Well, I think she spells these different too because he says them different, but I don't know how exactly. It might be. Or I think it was in a message on my phone. Could you hold this for me?
Oh, let me hold that.
Okay.
I have to wow it.
Are you gonna write them in here? Oh,
How?
with your Sharpie, right here.
Here, let us help you so you don't mark all over your shirt.
How?
This one is which one, Lil?
Olita Tay.
And you've got all this space you can use here, too.
Okay.
Is that the one you did?
I did.
Or actually, I think you did this one, didn't you? Let's see. Or did we do a blend?
Bleh.
I think we started.
Should write them one at a time.
Boom.
So which one is this that you just wrote?
Play his one.
Tatoa?
Yes.
Okay.
Now Tay.
This is the one you're doing. You already did that one.
Yeah, I'm just covering it up so you can just see that one.
Okay, so that was... How do you say that?
How do you say it, Ash?
Oh, a potato.
Taya.
No, potato.
Tay.
So the top one was Tay,
And the bottom one
was
was
Tato.
Tato, yeah.
Okay.
Potato.
Based off of...
Okay.
Be
Be
careful.
careful. Don't hit that. Yeah, bud?
You see how many yes, that's...
You're missing a socket.
Mm.
Where did it go?
Oh, what's here?
Okay.
Ito, sina ni Sushi.
Need the adapter.
Why is it so hard like this?
It just is. You gotta wiggle it around a little bit till...
This might work.
You gotta spin it around a little bit and it'll fine.
Not really.
It'll work. You've done it before. Don't push it on your hand so hard. Look. You put it on here. You find it. Okay, it's like that. Now, go ahead and push that on the floor some. It's okay. You'll get there. See? All right. Bam. So this was your first socket set, and you put in there Bash, Jeremy, Lily, Tia Jennifer, Pop, Mum, Sophie, Taya, and Tatoa. All right, Taya, right?
I bash.
Yep, and that was the very first one, Bash.
Oh, I.
Yep. Okay.
Who missed who?
Who missed who?
Who?
Who is me? Jeremy. You put Jeremy on there for me.
Who missed it?
Yeah, you know, he said Jerry.
I said it. Goofy boy. All right.
I don't think it's going to fit it.